Hi everyone, this is Gunjan Sharma and welcome to the new episode of Yoga, a Deep Communion. Today I will be giving you an insight of downward dog pose, right from explaining you about what it is, its benefit, how to do it, to tips to perform it in the right way. So let's begin. What is downward dog? Downward facing dog is the bread and butter of yoga, but it can be challenging for beginners. Downward dog, which is also known as Adho Mukha Svanasana, sometimes referred to as a downward facing dog or down dog, is a standing yoga pose where the yogis stretch their whole body on all fours, similar to the way a dog stretches. This yoga pose is often performed during Vinyasa and Ashtanga styles of yoga, either as a transitional or a resting pose. This modification shares the same benefits as the classic pose, stretching the hamstrings, opening the shoulders, and creating length in the spine without all the weight on your upper body. Downward dog pose is a full body stretch that has many benefits. Stretches the lower body. The inversion of downward dog helps you get into position to stretch the hamstrings, calves, and ankles fully. Strengthens the upper body. Downward dog is a weight bearing exercise, so it's effective at building strength in your shoulders and arms. This yoga pose also engages your midsection to help you build strong abdominal muscles. Stimulates blood flow. Downward dog is a position that places your heart above your head, allowing gravity to increase blood flow and improve your circulation. Improves posture. Downward dog opens up the chest and shoulders, which can help straighten your vertebrae and align your spine, leading to overall improved posture. Fine-tunes your foot muscles. This pose stretches and strengthens the major muscles and bones in your body and the smaller muscles in your feet, like the plantar fascia, which is the ligament that connects the heel to the front of the foot. Strengthening this part of your body can improve your walking and help prevent injury to this area when you are performing more strenuous physical activity. How to do downward dog? Downward dog is an effective yoga pose that can help relieve chronic pains caused by sitting and tight hamstring. Here's a step-by-step guide to perform downward dog. Get down on all fours. Start on the floor with your hands shoulder width apart, with your shoulders above your wrists. Align your inner shoulders with your index fingers. Your hips should be above or slightly before your knees. Lift your knees, tuck your toes against the mat or ground using the leverage to extend your legs and lift both knees into the air. Your body should now resemble an upside down V shape. Extend and lengthen your spine, simultaneously pressing through the palms of your hands and balls of your feet. Pull your pelvis up towards the ceiling, using the triceps in your upper arms to help stabilize your form. Some yoga teachers suggest drawing your shoulder blades down your back, while others prefer externally rotating the joints to support the body instinct. Hold and release. Hold your body in position, making sure to breathe properly. Slowly bring your knees back to the floor to release this asana or use it to transition into another pose. 5 tips for performing downward dog. Downward dog can take a bit of practice, but there are a few simple tips to help make it easier for beginner yogis to perform, such as make small movements. You don't have to spring up into position after getting on all fours. Smaller movements may be more accessible for beginners. For example, coming down onto your forearms first, like a modified plank, before slowly straightening out your legs. You can also use yoga blocks to prop up your hands and make it easier to complete this stretch. Change your heel placement. If extending your legs while keeping your back straight is challenging, you can modify your heel placement for relief. Rather than keeping your heels flat on the ground, allow them to rise off of the mat naturally. When you are ready to deepen the stretch, you can try slowly moving your heels down onto the mat. Use a chair. Downward dog can be strenuous on the body if you have limited flexibility. For a modified version, Try a forward bend in front of a chair using the seat to leverage your arms and hold your body at a wide V angle. Slowly walk your feet back until you feel the stretch. Keep your knees bent. When you extend your legs to this stretch, avoid overextending or locking your knees, which can place unnecessary strain on the joints or lead to their injury. Keep your legs as straight as possible while maintaining a slight bend in the knee to assure adequate stability. Avoid tucking your tailbone. Your back should be straight for entirety of this stretch. Tilt your pelvis forward to keep your spine straight and prevent you from rounding your back. So this is a complete insight about Adho Mukha Svanasana Yogasana, which is also known as downward dog pose. I hope this information will be helpful to all of you. So stay tuned to PMC English for more such informative episodes. And this is Gunjan Sharma signing off. Thank you. Have a good day.